this is Jeffrey from TDR Industries. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of maintaining your motorcycle with excellent engine oil and oil filter. So here we go. First of all, engine oil and its oil filter play a major role in protecting your bike's engine. Now here's a thing to keep in mind. It is very important to choose oil filter with the highest quality because the internal construction of the filter and its quality has a huge effect on the performance of your bike engine. Using the right filter and oil can keep your motorcycle engine clean and perform well with power and durability. I have here with me a NN1 oil filter and Vroom engine oil, and these are what we are going to use for this bike. Okay, before we start, let's do some checklist of the required tools. First, a motorcycle stand to keep your bike stable. 2. Drain pan to collect old engine oil. 3. Gloves. Yeah, you don't want to get your hands oiled up. 4. The napkin to keep things clean. 5. The funnel. 6. Strap wrench to remove the old oil filter. 7. New oil filter. 8. And the last, the new engine oil. The best time to change the oil is after your bike has been warmed up. But you need to wait about 10 to 15 minutes to let the oil inside cool down. Trust me, you don't want to walk with hot oil. Here are the step-by-step process of changing the motorcycle engine oil and the filter. Step 1. Use the napkin to clean the area around the oil filter and the drain plug. Step 2. Place the drain pan underneath the engine. Loosen and release the drain plug. Step 3. By hand, loosen the screw of the drain plug, but beware of the hot oil coming out of the engine. Step 4. Once the oil is drained out completely, it's time to remove the old oil filter. Step 5. Dispose the oil filter safely and put it in a proper place. Step 6. Now it is time to install the new oil filter. Step 7. Use the napkin to clean the surface around the seal of the oil filter. Step 8. Apply just a tiny bit of new oil to the O-ring seal at the bottom to allow smooth spin. Step 9. Spin the filter in by hand until you feel the O-ring touch the mating surface, and then turn it another half to 3/4 of the turn to make complete. Make sure you do not over tight the oil filter or you are at risk damaging the seal. Step 10. This is an NN1 oil filter which has nut at the top, and it is only for removal of the filter, not for tightening it. Step 11. Clean the drain plug and check if the washer in a good shape. Step 12. Install them back on, but do not over tighten it as it can damage the threads of the engine, and remember to use the appropriate tools. Step 13. It is time to fill in the new engine oil. Make sure to use the right grade for your bike and fill it up with the right amount of oil. Step 14. Once filled, clean the surface of the engine for any drips and start the engine. Let it idle for a few minutes, then turn off the engine. Check the oil level. Step 15. Finally, check the drain plug and oil filter for any leaks. Now that we are done, a little word of advice. Please remember to change the engine oil as recommended in your bike's owner's manual. Lastly, I certainly hope that this video has helped you get a better understanding about engine oil and oil filter. Don't forget to check out the complete range of TDR high performance products, and stay tuned and see ya in the next video.